Hello everyone. Today I will show you some multiplication tricks. By using these tricks, you can do calculation in just 2 to 3 seconds, and these are very interesting tricks. To learn these tricks, watch this video up to end. Our first trick is here. When last digit sum is 10 and remaining digits are same, means sum of last two digits 3 and 7, their sum should be equal to 10, and remaining digits, the numbers before unit digit should be same, that is 2 here. I have written some examples here. So let's solve first example, 23 into 27. What we have to do, we have to multiply these digits, last two digits. So 3 into 7, that is 21. Product of these two numbers will be last two digits of your answer. So what we have to do next is, we have to find the number next to the remaining digit. Now we have 2 and we have to find the next number, that is 3. We have 2, and what is next to 2? 3. So multiply this 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6. So 621 is your answer. Again we will understand with next example, 28 into 22. What we have to do is multiply 8 by 2 because their sum is 10. This trick is only applicable where sum of last two digit is 10 and the remaining number should be same. 8 2s are 16. Product of these two numbers, 8 2s are 16. 16 will be the last number of your answer. So remaining number is 2. So what is next to 2? 3. 3 2s are 6. 6 16 is your answer. Let's do some more example of this trick. 88 into 82. 8 2s are 16. 9 8s are 72. So 72 16 is your answer. See, this trick is very interesting and very easy. Within 1 or 2 seconds you can find your answer. So I have written a lot of problems here, so you can do by yourself also. Next problem is 91 into 99. See, 9 ones are 9, but we have to write last two digits of the answer. So 9 ones are 9, that is single digit, but we have to write two digits. So we will write 0 9. Okay, the remaining number is 9. So 9 tens are 90. So this is your answer. 104 into 106. अगेन मैं बता दूं, ये ट्रिक वही एप्लीकेबल है जहां पे लास्ट टू डिजिट का सम जो हो वो 10 हो और जो रिमेनिंग नंबर जो भी बच रहा हो, चाहे बड़ा हो चाहे छोटा हो, वो सेम हो. सो यहाँ पे करना क्या है, हम इन दोनों नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई कर देनी है. 6 4 जा 24 और ये हमारे आंसर के लास्ट टू डिजिट्स हमारे पास आ गए. जो रिमेनिंग नंबर है 10, उसका नेक्स्ट नंबर 11. 10 इंटू 11 110. ये आपका मल्टीप्लाई हो चुका है. हमें लॉन्ग मल्टीप्लाई से नहीं करना, लॉन्ग मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड से नहीं करना. विद इन 1 सेकेंड वी कैन रिप्लाई. सो हियर इज आवर सेकेंड ट्रिक. When sum of tens place digit is 10, you can see I have written examples here. 27 into 87, their tens place digit 2 and 8, their sum is 10. Unit place digit is same, so जो unit place digit है वो same होना चाहिए. Then only we can apply this trick. So we can solve 27 into 87. This is our second trick. This is also very interesting. So 27 into 87. What we have to do? We have to again little bit same as first trick. So we have to multiply 7 into 7. That is 49. So we will get last two digit of our answer. So what we have to do next is multiply this 8 by 2. That is 16. As we have 7 in the unit place, so add this 23 right here. 2349, that is your answer. What we have done, we have multiplied first units digit. What we have done, we have multiplied these unit digit. 7 into 7 49, and then afterwards multiply the remaining number 8 2 are 16 and add the unit place number. So 16 plus 7 23. See next example, 38 into 78. What we have to do, we have to multiply this number. 8 8s are 64. We got last two digits of our answer, and what we have to do next is 7 3s are 21 plus this 8, so 29. 2964 your answer. आप देखोगे कि जो नॉर्मल मेथड होता है, जो लॉन्ग मेथड होता है, उससे कई गुना कम टाइम में हम ये ट्रिक से ये सम सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज 89 into 29. Again 9 9s are 81 and 8 2s are 16 plus 9 25. So ये 2581 आपका आंसर आ गया. So you can do remaining sums and you can write more and more sums related with these tricks. See where this trick is applicable: when sum of tens place number equal to 10 and remaining number unit place number should be same, then only we can apply this trick. So here is our third trick. Our third trick is when given numbers are above 100, means I have written some example, like we have to multiply 102 by 105 and 103 by 107, 109. So various example we have. So let's solve. 102 into 105 we can write like this. So हमने देखना क्या है, 102 is bigger than 100, but how much? It is 2 more than 100, and 105 it is 5 more than 100. What we have to do is multiply these numbers. 5 2s are 10. We got last two digits of our answer, and add these numbers. Either you can add 5 in 102 or you can add 2 in 105. Answer will be same. You can add 5 in 102 also. That will give you 107, and here also we will get 107. So we got our answer. Again you can see within seconds we have solved these sums. Let's try more examples. 103 into 107. What we have to do is हमें देखना क्या है, ये 103 है, 100 से कितना ज़्यादा है, ये 3 ज़्यादा है, और ये 107 है, ये 100 से 7 ज़्यादा है. बस हमने करना क्या है, अब इनकी मल्टीप्लाई कर देने. 7 3s are 21, एंड चाहे तो आप 7 को 103 में ऐड करें, चाहे 3 को 107 में, दोनों ही कंडीशंस में आपका आंसर 110 ही आएगा, और ये आपका ऑल ओवर आंसर आ चुका है. सो नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल इज 109 इंटू 107. देखेंगे यहाँ पे ये कितना ज़्यादा है, 9, और ये 100 से कितना ज़्यादा है, 7. सो मल्टीप्लाई दीज नंबर्स. 9 7s are 63. वी गॉट लास्ट टू डिजिट्स और आंसर, एंड व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, चाहे तो आप 109 में 7 ऐड कर लें, चाहे 107 में 9 ऐड कर लें, दोनों केस में आपका आंसर आएगा 116. सो 11663 इज योर आंसर ऑफ दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. और नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल 111 इंटू 109. ये 11 ज़्यादा है, ये 9 ज़्यादा है, सो मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 99 और ऐड करेंगे 120. सो ये आपका आंसर. यू कैन सी विद इन सेकेंड वी आर सॉल्विंग दिस सम. दिस ट्रिक्स आर वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. If you will practice, then someday you will be able to do calculation with these tricks. Our fourth trick is when numbers are below 100, like 99 into 98. Like this kind of numbers are given, then what we have to do, we will write these numbers 99 into 98. So again we will check how much this number is less than 100. So 99 is 1 less than 100, so we will write -1. And 98 is 2 less than 100, so we will write -2. Same procedure as we have done in the third trick we have to follow here also. So 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. This will give you the last two digits of our answer. So 2 1s are 2, that is only single digit. So what we have to do, we will write 0 2. Now in the third trick we have added the opposite number, but here we will subtract the opposite number, like 99 minus 2, or you can do 98 -1. Answer will be same. In both cases 97 will come. So 97 and 02. This is your answer. Again we can try more examples. 96 into 93. So 96 is 4 less than 100 and 93 is 7 less than 100. What we have to do is multiply these two numbers. 7 4s are 28 and either you can subtract 7 from 96 or you can subtract 4 from 93. Answer will be same. So I am writing my answer. So again 88 into 92. So 88 is 12 less than 100 and 92 is 8 less than 100. So again what we have to do, we have to multiply these two numbers. So 12 8s are 96 and we got our last two digits. Either you can subtract 8 from 88 or 12 from 92. So 80 will come. So 8096 is your answer. 85 into 95. So 85 is 15 less than 100 and 95 is 5 less than 100. You can multiply these two numbers. 15 5s are 75 and subtract 15 from 95 or 5 from 85. 80 will come. 8075 is your answer. देखिए हम कर क्या रहे हैं, हम सिंपली चेक कर रहे हैं कि जो गिवन नंबर है वो 100 से कितने कम है. 85 जो है वो 100 से 15 कम है और 95 जो है वो 100 से 5 कम है. फिर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, जो इनके सब्ट्रैक्शन करके आ रहा है उनको आपस में हम मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं. 15 5s are 75. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम अपोजिट नंबर में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे हैं. जैसे 95 100 से 5 कम था तो ये 5 को हमने 85 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. 85 में से 5 गया 80. और आप दूसरे वे से भी कर सकते हो, 15 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर सकते हो 95 से. आंसर विल बी सेम, दैट इज 80. Our next example is 85 into 91 is 85 is 15 less than 100 and 91 is 9 less than 100. 15 9s are 135, but we have to write only last two digits. So this one we will keep as a carry. Now subtract this number 9 from 85 or you can subtract 15 from 91. So we will get 76 plus this one carry 7735. That is your answer. इस समय देखिए हमने क्या किया कि जो हमारे पास 15 9s करके 135 आ रहा था उसके हमने सिर्फ लास्ट टू डिजिट्स लिखे हैं और जो रिमेनिंग 1 था उसको हमने कैरी ले लिया है. सब्ट्रैक्शन के बाद 85 में से 9 सब्ट्रैक्ट करने के बाद 76 आ गया और जो 1 कैरी था हमने 76 में ऐड कर लिया. जो आपका फाइनल आंसर है वो है 7735. सो टुडे वी हैव लर्न 4 short tricks for fast calculation. I hope these tricks will be helpful for you. And if you liked our video, then subscribe our channel and do share with your friends so that they can also take help from this video. Thank you.